All right, for the 3-point row, we're gonna use a bench or a box for our third point of contact. And what we're gonna do is get our feet set about shoulder width apart, maybe about 2 or 3 feet away from the bench. You're gonna hinge your hips back and then place a hand on that bench or that box. Now, the whole purpose of this 3-point row is we have our 3 points of contact, and compared to just doing a standard bent over row, this position tends to tire out our lower back. So this variation is meant to give us a little bit more support so that lower back doesn't have to work quite as hard. Now, what we're going to do is once we're set in this position, we're grabbing that weight with our free hand and then just rowing in towards our pocket line and then returning back to that bottom. Just like all our other row variations, I do want to allow a little bit of a stretch at the bottom, but I am trying to avoid overextending as I pull that weight in towards my waist. So I want to keep this front side shoulder close to the floor as I pull that elbow back as hard as I can and then return to the bottom. With this variation, you're going to need to play around a little bit with the height of the support. The whole goal is to try and get our back parallel with the floor. So we're trying to get our back fairly horizontal. So depending on your height or the length of your arms, you may need a box that's a little bit higher or a little bit lower. So play around with the different options that you have to find the one that works best for you.